Welcome back, guys. So now we are going to deal with costing April 2024 mock test series. In that we are going to deal with only the descriptive part of it. Okay. Now let's see the question number 1, A part. Okay. This is a process costing. The product of a manufacturing concern passes through two processes A and B, then to finished stock. So process A, it will go to process A and process B, and now finally finished stock. So the details of expenses incurred on the two processes has been given here. Okay, so materials, labors and overheads they have given, and on completion the output of process A is transferred to process B at a price calculated to give a profit of 20% on the transfer price. What is this transfer price? Which is a sale price. You can't say sale because you are giving, you're processing the output of A to B, so you're not directly selling this the output. So they say transfer price, which means it's almost similar to sales price. And the output of process B is charged to finished stock at a profit of same 25% profit on the transfer price. Now the finished stock department realized 4 lakh for the finished goods received from process B. So whatever is the received is the output received from process B. So they have realized 4 lakh. So upon the sale of output from process B, they have realized 4 lakh amount. So what is the cost you have to find out, and what is the profit there you have to find out. Okay, so now they are asked to show process account and the total profit, assuming that there is no opening and no closing, just the these expenses, and also you have the profits, no. So you have to show the process accounts, means process A and B and finished stock. Let's see. Okay, now process A account, which has two materials, labor and overheads, they have given 40 and 16,000 as incurred. They have incurred all these expenses, which comes to the total of 96,000. Upon this 96,000, they are transferred at a profit of 20% on the transfer price, which means 20%. See, 25, sorry, it's 20%, no? Okay. So 20% on transfer price means 25% of cost, right? I already told you it is indirectly. Transfer price is nothing but it's almost sale price, but we can't say sale because the output A, the output from the process A is not, directly, it's not directly selling to process B, just transferring. Okay, so we can't say sale, but it's almost the same. So transfer price 20% on sale equals to 25% of cost only, no? So what is cost? 96,000. Upon 96 you apply 25%, you get 24,000. So 96 plus 24, here the total comes to 1,20,000. For 1,20,000 it transfers to process B, right? So by transfer to process B, for what price? 20%, including 20% on transfer price plus cost, they are going to transfer. So what is the cost? 96,000. Upon transfer price it is 20. So 1,20,000. Upon 1,20,000 you apply 20%, or you apply 25% on this 96,000. You get the same. Okay, so tallied, no? Yes. Now process A account is over. Now process B. See here, process B. So at what price you have transferred? You received the transfer. To transferred from process A. From process A we received at a price of 1,20,000, and now to labor and to overhead they have incurred 56,000 and 40,000 as expenses. The total comes to 2,16,000, and they said here process B is charged to finished stock at a profit of 25% on the transfer price. Here also transfer price. So 25% on transfer price, which means 33.33 percentage of cost. Here what? 20% on transfer price, which means 25% of cost. Then what is 25% of transfer price? 33.33% of cost. Now what is cost? 2,16,000, no? So upon 2,16,000 you apply 33.33 percentage, you get this 72,000. So for not for this 2,16,000 they have transferred. Upon this they have applied some profit. So for 2,88,000 they have transferred to finished stock, right? So by transfer to finished stock they have transferred it for 2,88,000, right? So the cost is 2,16,000. They have transferred for 2,88,000. What is the profit, guys? 2,88,000 minus 2,16,000. Here comes to the profit of 72,000. That's what we have done. No, 33%, 33.33% on cost. So 2,16,000 into 33.33, we get the profit of 72,000, right? Now they have asked only to open the process account. No, see here, show process accounts and total profit they have asked. So no need to open any finished stock account or anything. So statement of total profit. What is the total profit, guys? Process A, in process A what profit you have made, in process B what profit you have made, and while transferring it to the finished stock how much profit you have made. That's what mean total profit. No, so profit from process A, here see, we have transferred it for 1,20,000 which cost only 96, so 24 is the profit, and here 72 is the profit. And see, 24 and 72, and they said they have realized 4 lakh when from finished stock. They said, see here, the finished stock department realized 4 lakh for the finished goods received from process B. They realized 4 lakh, it seems. So which cost 2,88,000, they realized 4 lakh, which means 1,12,000 only, no profit. So total profit if you add, which means 24,000 plus 72,000 plus 1,12,000, you get the total profit of 2,08,000. So process accounts, which means process A account and process B account got over, and total profit got over, assuming that there was no opening and closing. Yes, there was no opening and closing. Done. No, 5 marks. Okay, so that's all about part A of first question, right? Now let's see the B part of question number 1, which says, DSM Limited manufactures speed boats which require propeller TPM4. The following particulars are collected for the year. So there is something which, some material is required, in speed boats. There is equipment or whatever that require, something, that material they want. So they have given the annual demand and what are they costing, order cost, holding cost and all. They have given the information. See, annual demand of TPM4, there is a material this is required for the manufacture of speedboats. So this material of 12,000 units are required annually, and cost of placing an order they have given as, see here, annual demand of 12,000 units they have given, and cost of placing an order 1,200 per order. So per order it is 1,200 rupees, and cost per unit of this material is 1,740. So per unit of this material is 1,740, and carrying cost per annum is 12%. So the company has been offered a quantity discount of 5% on the purchase of this material, provided the order size is 6,000 units at a time. So they're asking about EOQ, economic order quantity, and advise whether the quantity discount offer can be accepted or not. So whether to say, whether to advise this quantity order can be accepted or not, first of all we need to find out economic order quantity and what is the total cost incurred when using this, and you have to see this quantity discount also, for what is the cost. If quantity discount is accepted, then we compare the both and we advise whether it can be accepted or not. So first one is EOQ. Let's find it out. Okay, here, where is this? Yes, so calculation of economic order quantity. You know the formula of economic order quantity, 2AO by C. You have to apply root over. So 2, annual demand is 12,000 units we have, and ordering cost it is 1,200 per order, and what is the denominator, guys? Carrying cost per unit per annum. So here they have given what? Carrying cost per annum only. It is 12% they have given. So 12% on what? Cost per unit. Per unit per annum only, no. So what is per unit? It is 1,740. Upon this you apply 12%. You get per unit per annum, right? So if you apply this root over, then we get 371 units approximately. So why this approximately? Because units can't be in proportions or in decimals, right? So approximately to the nearest rupee, or sorry, your nearest numerical value they have given. So approximately it is 371 units, right? Now what? They have given, they have asked about whether the discount offer can be accepted or not. No, first of all we need to evaluate the profitability. So here, see, so for the purchase, total cost we need to ascertain. No, so then only we can compare whether it can be accepted or not. First of all we need to see what is the total cost. What are included in total cost, guys? So it is purchase cost, ordering cost and carrying cost, right? So what is purchase cost? 12,000 units we require, and per unit it is 1740. So which comes to total of 2 crore 8 lakh 80,000. And now what is order cost? You know the formula. What is order cost? Annual demand by EOQ, which comes to the total. See, if you divide this annual demand with the EOQ, you get number of orders. So if you multiply with the per order cost, you get the total ordering cost. You see here, I think they have given, yes, ordering cost. Ordering cost, what is the formula? Annual demand by order quantity, which means EOQ, economic order quantity, or any kind of order quantity. Like in the quantity discount, they have given 6,000 units. No, so that is order quantity. In this method, in this EOQ method, economic order quantity, what is the units? 371 only, no? So into cost of placing in order. This is the formula for ordering cost, and this is the formula for carrying cost. What is carrying cost, guys? It is half, which is 1 by 2. So if you separate that and you write cost per unit into quantity ordered into carrying cost, right? This is the formula. So ordering cost 12,000 units. So I think yes, here. So 12,000 units divided by 371 units, which is a order quantity, into 1200 ordering cost, which comes to 39,600. So remember this, guys. In economic order quantity, if you do ordering cost and carrying cost, it is almost the same except the decimal parts. Because of this decimals and all, you get a very almost the same answer. But see here, there is a small difference, but almost nearest values only, no? So in EOQ, if you do the carrying cost and ordering cost, it's always the same. Okay, just because of this decimals and all, you get a small slight difference. So now carrying cost. So what is the formula for carrying cost? Half into what is per unit cost? 1740. And what is the order quantity, which is 371 units, into 12 by 100, which means 12%, no? So 1740 into 12% is only no carrying cost. So half of it and into order quantity. That is the formula, right? See here, cost per unit is 1740, quantity order is 371, carrying cost is 12%, no? Divided by 2. That's what he has done here. So remembering formulas is really important, guys. Otherwise you won't able to understand anything. Now this total comes to 38,732. Total cost is 2 crore 9 lakh 58,332. No, now they advised for us to whether to accept the quantity discount or not. Yes, so when quantity discount of 5% is offered, so what is purchase cost? Here also same purchase, order and carrying cost you have to do for arriving at total cost. Now what is purchase cost, guys? 12,000 units only required, and what is the price? 1740, but they are giving quantity discount, no, of 5 rupees. So 1740 into 0.95, not 100% you do, only 95% only you are going to do. So 12,000 into 1740 into 95%, which comes to total of 1 crore 98 lakh 36,000. Now what is ordering cost, guys? Try to remember the formula. This one, annual demand by order quantity into cost of placing an order. So 12,000 units divided by what is the order quantity. It's not 371 now. Here he said, where is this? The company has been offered a quantity discount of 5% on purchase of this material provided the order size is 6000 units, they are saying. So here you should not take 371 units, instead you take 6000 units. Now what is the cost of placing an order, guys? It's 1200, right? Yes, cost of placing an order is 1200. Now you put everything into calculation. 12,000 units divided by 6,000 units into 1200, it's 2,400. Now what is carrying cost, guys? It is half of, why is this 1653? Because 1740 into 95%, which comes to a total of 1653 into 12%. This is unit price, this is carrying cost into half into order quantity. Order quantity is not 371 now, it's 6000 units, I already told you. So everything as per the formula you have put together. So here comes the total of 5,95,080 rupees. Now what is the total cost? Yes, what is the total cost? 2 crore 4,33,480. Now you compare from above, where their quantity discount is not there. As per EvoQ it is 2 crore 9 lakh. Now if we apply the quantity discount, it is 2 crore 4 lakh. So what is the advice you give? Whether to accept the quantity discount or not? Obviously yes. The total cost of inventory is lower if quantity discount offer is accepted, no? Without quantity discount it is 2 crore 9 lakh and some change. And if we accept the quantity or discount, you get a lower cost of inventory, no? So hence the company is advised to accept the quantity discount, right? They have given the formulas. Yes, over, no? So tell me, guys, second bit, advise whether the company quantity discount offer can be accepted or not. Yes, a big yes, because cost of inventory is low. Okay, now with this we have completed B bit of question number 1 2, right? Now let's see C part, that means C bit of question number 1, which is employee costing, which is labor costing. So yeah, a skilled worker in Shanu Limited is paid a guaranteed wage rate of 30 per hour. So this is a wage rate, guys, hourly basis 30 per hour. The standard time per unit for a particular product is 4 hours, which means time allowed for that particular product is 4 hours time allowed, guys. So Sam, a machine man, has been paid wages under row 1 incentive plan. So no, there are different methods like piece rate, row 1, halsey and all. So this guy has been paid wages under row 1 incentive plan, it seems, and he had earned an effective hourly rate of 37.5 on the manufacture of that particular product. So they have given effectively hour rate directly. Okay, what could have been his total earnings and effective hourly rate had he been put on halsey incentive scheme. Okay, now what they are asking, what are his total earnings and effective hourly rate? He is now receiving in row 1 incentive scheme, no? So they have given effective hourly rate, right? So under this method, if this is effective hourly rate, then what is the effective hourly rate and total earnings if he has been receiving in, just a minute, guys. Okay, so what is his effective hourly rate and total earnings if he receives in halsey incentive scheme? So for that purpose, what we need to have, they have given about after time allowed and wage rate, they have given how much time he has taken, that only important. So how much time he has taken, first we need to calculate under this row 1 method itself. When we find out about time taken, then we can proceed to halsey incentive method and put everything together so that we can find the total earnings and effective hourly rate, right? So you understood what to do. Now let's go to the answer. Let's see what they have done. Okay, now we don't know time taken, no, how much the time given is 4 hours, but how much time did he take for producing that particular product, for manufacture of that particular product, we don't know. So let t hours be the total time taken, total time worked. Total time taken is nothing but he has worked by the skilled labor, okay, skilled worker machine man Sam. Okay, so 30 rupees is the rate per hour. Now standard time allowed is 4 per unit. Effective hourly rate is 37.5. This is the all information they have given. He has put it into together, right? Now the earnings, which is earnings is nothing but hours worked into rate per hour. Isn't it the formula for earnings? So what is the, you tell me the formula of Rowan incentive plan. Just, see, um time that we have worked. Okay, time worked, that means hours worked. Okay, hours worked into rate per hour plus time saved by time allowed into time taken into rate per hour. This is the bonus part only, no, under Rowan scheme. And this is the normal part, how many hours you have worked per that. As per that they'll give hourly wages only, no. So this is the bonus part of Rowan. In Halsey again this part changes, this is the same. Okay, this part only changes. Now under Rowan incentive plan only he has given. So what are the earnings, guys? 37.5, but this is effective hourly rate. I want total earnings, that only, formula. Earnings means here earning doesn't mean it's per hour, total earnings here it says. Okay, so what are the total earnings per hour? We know 37.5. How they have given, no, under Rowan method he has earning effective hourly rate of 37.5 into time taken only, no. If you multiply then total earnings you get. So this is earnings, and what is the formula? Time taken into hourly rate plus, time saved. What is time saved? Time allowed minus time taken only, no. What is time allowed? 4 minus time taken t divided by time allowed. What is time allowed? 4 into time taken into wage rate per hour. Okay, so if you solve this you get t, that means time taken as 3 hours. Please solve this which is very simple, guys. You just need to know maths calculation, simple calculation. If you do it you get t of 3 hours. So what is the time allowed for them? 4 hours they have given time allowed for the manufacture of that particular product, and he has taken only 3 hours. So what is time saved? 1 hour only, no. With this information is it enough to calculate under Halsey, Halsey method? Yes, it is very enough. Time allowed we have known, we know time allowed, we have time, we know time taken and time saved. What else do we need, guys? Yes, all the information is right here. Now total earnings and effective hourly rate of skilled worker only, they have asked under Halsey intensive scheme. So now tell me, Halsey incentive scheme, as per this scheme what is the formula? Total earnings, yes, total earnings equals to hours worked into rate per hour. I already told you this part is going to remain still, but what changes? This bonus part only. So what is this bonus part? In Rowan method it is, this time saved by time allowed into time taken into rate per hour, but this is not the same here, it changes. What is under Halsey method, guys? Since here he says it is 50%, we are going to do 1 by 2. 1 by 2 of time saved into rate per hour. So that's it. Yes, we have time saved and we know what is time taken and all. So substitute. What are his total earnings? First of all, hours worked into rate per hour. 3 hours he has worked. What is rate per hour? 30. Now plus half of the time saved. What is time saved, guys? 4 hours time given, no. In 3 hours only have completed. What is the time saved? So 1 hour only, no, and rate per hour. Now total earnings is how much? If you this comes to 90 and this comes to 15. Yes, 90 plus 15 it comes to 105. So total earnings are 105. Now they have asked total earnings along with effective hourly rate, no. So what is effective hourly earnings? It's nothing but total earnings by hours taken. So total earnings are 105 and 3 hours he have taken. So effective hourly rate is 35 rupees. Now what is total earnings under, sorry, effective hourly rate under Rowan? It is 37.5 and under Halsey method it is 35. So total earnings done, no, and effective hourly rate also done. Yes, so completed with C bit of question number 1, 2. Okay, yes. Now that we have completed question number 1, I'll also upload the question number 2, 3, 4 and all the questions of mock test except the theory part. Okay. Also watch all the remaining questions. I'll upload it soon. Yes. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll reply for all the doubts and all. I will reply to every comment, guys. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thank you.